Super excited to be here today. This is the first time that McLean Farms has actually been able to have a booth at the Onion Festival and sell onions since my husband was in elementary school. Yes, it was a really long time ago. We're excited to be here. We've worked really hard to be here. We are excited to talk to everybody, just spend time with people. We don't get to network with everybody that appreciates everything that we're doing because we're always working in the field, and we made it a priority to be here, and we're excited to see everyone.
So they say, it's what I've been told, that this is my blood relative. I don't think that's the case at all. No. But that's what I've been told. So anyway, this is Teresa. Supposedly her last name is McLean, but she don't fit any of this. So I think there was a mix-up at the hospital along. How many are you? 75?
No, I'm not yet. No,
not yet.
No.
Okay.
I'll be 60 this year.
60 years ago,
See,
somebody swapped something somewhere.
No, I just got all that the McLean blood could bring. He got just a few scatter shots.
I don't think I got any of it. So
it was pale in comparison.
So I don't know who this is, and I don't know why this is here. But
tell us why it's here. The question is, why isn't it here with you all the time?
I'm not surprised at all that it showed up with this.
No, a good friend of mine, Brooks, and I are doing the Grace Race. And it's with Court of Three, and what we're doing is helping to raise funds to supplement Christian counseling for those that aren't able to pay for it, so that everybody can have Christian counseling as they need it. And I ran with him on my back doing the 5K and the Vidalia Onion Run. No, I did not. But what that did was that shows you Galatians 6:2, bear one another's burdens and so fulfill the law of Christ. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Hey, I'm Rusty McLean with McLean Farms, also with McLean Aviation. When I'm not farming, you'll catch me up here at the airport more than likely. Ever had dreams of becoming a pilot and you want to learn how to fly? Reach out to Billy here at the airport in Vidalia, and he can kind of walk you through some of that process. Reach out to myself, and we can kind of walk you through the process on how to do that, how to become a pilot. We're here at the Vidalia Onion Festival. The Titan Aerobatic team is performing behind us.
From McLean Farms. I'm here with McLean Aviation and McLean Farms. We are so stoked this year to be starting our booth. This is the first year we've done that. We're super excited for next year. It's going to be the 50th year of the Vidalia Onion Festival. We are so excited to celebrate. Please come join us.
Oh my God! McLean Farms, your social media is fabulous. I love you guys.
Closing out the festival, we just want to take a moment to say thank you for all of the support. We have thoroughly enjoyed getting to visit with each and every one of you, hear where you came from, and to come enjoy the Vidalia Onions. So come back and see us next year. We'll be here. Thank you from McLean Farms.